there's no way. I'm already still burning. So hold me close, now baby. I do what I'm told, still learning to take my chances, to take my time, to keep on dancing, to walk that line, yeah. You got me shifting the paradigm, no longer wishing, you're my lucky strike. Love the way you ride, look into my eyes.
Hi guys, today is Friday, aka work from home day. So no, actually, like I supposed to be going office today, but like I was talk to my colleagues like, hey, I'm come to office. However, like when I woke up and then like it's the temperatures are like -1 degree, so I tested to my colleagues like, hey, I will not come to office because it's -1 degree and it's pretty chill outside, so I will be stay at home and work from home. Like he also think the same thing, so yeah, that's why I work from home. And then I literally look into the calendar just now. It said like I have only one meeting, and then like my task is I have to claim one coding error, and then like coding error, which is like I have to take out from the large data set, and then I don't know what is going on. I keep like the same error message even though I change some query. So yeah, that's the things that I need to clean. And then another one, I have to build 3 dashboard for my weekly business review. So yeah, pretty much that's it. This is very chill Friday, and then after that, after finishing work, I'm going for a grocery run. So anyway, so yeah, this is my agenda for today. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Lynn. I am from Myanmar. Some people know as Burma. So if you don't know Myanmar, where is it from? So I hope that everyone know Thailand. My country is also the neighbor of the Thailand. So I'll continue walking and then cleaning the area and everything, and then after that I will take you to a grocery. I just finished work, so I am now going to buy some grocery as planned.
Alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back row. All I really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser.
It is very cool now. I forgot to wear gloves, so my hand is freezing now.
Too many, I'm going. Too crazy, and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times, live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mine. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my. Chandelier, limousines. Really think I'm seeing things. Read the line in between. Yellow light, I gotta speed up. Get home, so a cold shower. Need that pronto. Look like a rave at the condo. Heck of a night in Toronto. She said, boy, you in Morocco. Pearl white mention in the top gold. Fill up my cup with the pop, whoa. High off life in the spot, though.
So, this is what I bought for today. So, pot mince, chicken, and some vegetables, some biscuits, beer of course for today. So after coming back from the grocery run, so I have to prepare for tonight dinner. So basically, like I will show you what I prepare for tonight dinner. So this is like pot mince, and like I put an egg in there, and then also some salt and everything, and I mix this together, and then corn flour included in there because I want to make it like with the rice parmesan, and then this one, and then I also using this soup, which is like chicken soup, which is coming out from the chicken bone, and then like I create a soup, and then I put all together, and then like I can eat it. So basically we call this one like Kyay-Oo in Burmese. So, but it actually is not really the same. So I also put like these pak choy as well. So actually, it's not really, you know, the real taste of Kyay-Oo that I really want to eat. However, like in here, there is no shop selling similar like this, so I have to, you know, cook by myself. It should be look like this. So, you know, it's kind of like the pork meatball, and then I'm gonna mix with the right parmesan later on. So yeah, this is how this look like. It's called Kyay-Oo. I don't know how to call it in English. I'm gonna eat this one for dinner.
Lucky strike, love the way you ride. Look into my eyes, say you're ready to go. $1 million life, yeah, we can roll it down.
So yeah, pretty much this is for today's vlog. So I'm gonna watch a movie while I'm eating this one. Kind of like day in my life movie. So because I don't have like too many interesting things to do today, so basically I go grocery run and then I cook for dinner. That's it for now. So see you in the next vlog. So see ya.
You're my lucky strike.